Hey everybody, so it's Sparrow. Welcome back to my channel, and I decided to do color today. So today I decided that I wanted to do this yellow look. I saw it on Reddit. I'm gonna put the picture right here, but basically I saw it on Reddit and I was like, I want to do that, but on my face with my skin tone. I need to do that. So today I actually went and got my hair done and everything. So as you see, I'm growing out my color again. But my hair is straight right now, which is really weird. But I decided that this look could not come at a better time when my hair is, you know, not looking like a whole disaster. So if you're ready to try yellow eye makeup without feeling pressured to buy anything, I'm not going to mention any of the products that I'm using, just colors and ideas. Yes, you will not hear a single product name in this video. Sorry. I will listen probably on Instagram because I don't want you to feel like you need to buy any of these products to make this look. I don't even remember her product list, but I don't think I used anything from her product list either. So you don't have to either. Anyway, let's go ahead and just start the look. Alright, let's see if I can make magic happen on this eye, because I did it on this one and now I just gotta repeat the same damn process. But for you to see. First things first, take some kind of like corally color. You're gonna take it and pack it right at your crease and start using circular motions mixed with windshield wiper motions to start buffing it out into your crease and a little bit above, like right under your brow, since you're gonna highlight that area anyway later. So for right now, you're just packing it because you want the color to actually show up a little bit. It should kind of come off as a wash to a slight undertone of that color. Now for the odd man out choice, go ahead and take a pretty deep brown and just pack it right there in your outer V only. And this is just going to give your eye dimension, but you just apply that right there. And it's going to give your eye enough dimension so that when you put on your yellow, it's going to come off as a deeper yellow later. But we're going to blend this out first using the same corally shade from before. We're just going to go ahead and start round circular motion blending until it just kind of comes and softens up a lot. Like, it shouldn't look this brown after you're done. It should look more soft and lush. Okay, now that that dark lump of brown isn't as dark, you can go on to these. We're going to go on to the star of the show, which is our yellow color. So I'm going to take a nice bright and it's a good bright yellow color, and just start packing it all over the eye. And depending on your yellow color's pigment, formula, brand, reputation, you choose whatever one you like. I'm choosing my current yellow shade that I have, like, closest to me, that isn't neon. Don't want neon yellow eyes today. I'm just gonna be sure to bring it down to your lash line as well. Especially if you're not gonna wear a liner, you're really gonna make sure you bring it down. And make sure to put the yellow on top of the brown. Don't skip that part because the yellow needs to go all the way on top of the brown. And it's gonna mix together to create a kind of deeper round color. I'm using patting motions to apply the yellow, bringing up into the crease. Coming back to that coral color, we're going to use her to slowly buff out the edges of the yellow color, like so. But not too much. We want to keep that yellow color's intensity for the rest of the eye. On the lower lash line, we're going to be taking quite a bit of that yellow shade on a big, thick brush for the lower lash line. take a lot of it. I'm only taking on one side of the brush, so to make sure that I only get it on my lower lash line and not all under my eye. I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting yellow down there as well. Alright, now that I have the yellow all over my lower lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and take another shader brush, a little flat shader brush like I normally do, and take it into that corally pinky shade, and I'm going to use that to blend out the yellow and keep it in tone with the upper eye. And to finish it off, I'm going to highlight the inner corner with like an iridescent yellowy shade that I have. So go ahead and go in that inner corner and get it all glowed up. Build it up to about the intensity I want it to be. It's a little bit, but it can be done. And then to finish off the eye, I'm just going to go ahead and take some mascara. I'm going to take my favorite one and coat my top lashes. Dusting off the extra bakage. So obviously I am not done because we're just going to do the rest of our face to get there. So I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face with my favorite bronzer. Since this is a summery yellow look, we should probably have a good bit of bronzer up in here, giving us warmth, giving us face, giving us that snatch. I went to the beach today, even though I did not. I went to the hair salon today. Look, this is why. Because it's summer and we don't run. I mean, in summer I don't want to blush. I just want to glow. So I'm just going to glow up with my current favorite highlighter. So use your... That's where this is in real life. It might look a little bit like strong for y'all. In real life, it looks fine. I'm gonna take a lip brush and a little bit of brown eyeliner to do a brown lip liner kind of thing. So after lining with some form or fashion of a liner, which again I just don't have one, so I use it. I'm gonna go ahead and take a nude lipstick. Lip liner. And then maybe some gloss. And then I feel like gloss is appropriate. It'll tone it down a little. Alright, I think that's gonna complete this look. I think we're good here. Let me just set my face and then I'll show you without my silly band on. Alright, and here's the finished look. It's very fresh, it's very neutral, it's not overwhelming, it's not overbearing. It's definitely a lovely kind of yellow summer sleigh. I don't know, I was just kind of like in a mood to try something new. I just don't like nudes like this, I'm sorry. I'm trying for you guys, but it's not working. But anyway, if you guys liked this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It was just a random thing that I decided to do and film, and I don't know if it's even any good, because honestly, I'm just not a, I don't feel like I'm a very, like, color I care, color clothes I'll do, color makeup is where I'm always like. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like stuff like this, or if you like anti-hauls, first impressions, reviews, and sometimes tutorials like this one, you can go ahead and just subscribe to the channel. Also, leave a comment down below, what kind of color look are you gonna do this summer? And should I do one too? Go ahead and leave that down below, and I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye!